Amazing health benefits of the ketogenic diet everyone should know. Keto diet for weight loss, what you need to know. The ketogenic diet is a high-fat, moderate protein, and low-carbohydrate diet that forces the body to burn fats rather than carbohydrates for fuel. The keto diet is an effective weight loss program because the addition of healthy fats keeps hunger at bay. The lack of carbs has a diuretic effect. This means that water retention is decreased and your body gets rid of excess fluids. What is the keto diet? And how does it work? The ketogenic diet, called keto for short, is a low-carbohydrate and high-fat diet. It's an effective way to lose weight and improve health long-term. The keto diet puts the body in a metabolic state called ketosis. During this state, ketones, which are produced by the liver, are used as energy instead of glucose produced by carbohydrate. The goal of the keto diet is to enter ketosis so that you enter fat-burning mode. The last decade has witnessed an increase in research about how diets affect health, and the data shows that the ketogenic diet is one of the best out there. How to start the keto diet and get started with meal planning. The keto diet is a low-carb, high-fat diet where the body produces ketones in the liver to be used as energy. The benefits of this diet include weight loss and reduced insulin levels. When you start a keto diet, it is recommended that you start with meal planning to stay on track.